We're here at a parking garage here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's check out what we have here. Modernized Otis, it looks like. That's not even loud. Yep, Modernized Otis. Still original furniture here. This is at the Market Court, 537 Market Street. Oh yeah, we can take it out right on this. That out. Otis. There's a phone. Check out this pre-door when we get to 5. Honestly, I'm gonna get off here.
Why? Why do you want to get off here?
I'm gonna ring the chime.
Oh,
Look at this.
cool. Oh yeah.
Original bell. Very, very neat. All they just did was replace these buttons. The 90s with the Innovation Decorator. But everything else is still original. Nice cap. Give it 1. Watch his leveling. Check. Let me show you the staircase when we get down with it. Look at that. Beautiful. Check out this really nice 1960s, 50s stairwell. Beautiful. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.